This is the LED bar, and yeah, that's the one I want to make a holder for. And it comes with some clamps, of course some cable, and the bar itself. Simple system, so it clicks on it like this and then it holds. So the goal is to print something with the same holding as this, and to place it on a camera like this. So then I would have some sufficient light, because I now use the sun, but it's not always there. Let's start drawing. Okay. This design isn't too difficult. It's in combination of this mounting. It works, so I just copy that. And this would be the hot shoe mount. And I have made a hot shoe mount a couple of months ago for this remote control, so I can put it on the camera and don't have to hold this all the time. So let's make a quick drawing. Okay, let's start with the 3D drawing. I first start off with this the hot shoe mount, and then with the mounting for the LED bar. And those two together in perpendicular to each other. Yeah, that's it basically. I start with a simple rectangle. Dimension of, well, this length, let's say we'll make it 30. So, and this was 18.5. Yes, 18.4. Yeah, 18.4. So, okay. And an extrusion of 2. Get a third camera. Okay, record it. Okay, as you can see, this is also a hot shoe mount. Get it off. The thing is that this part is higher than this part. So if I look at the front and you see my nice curtains on the back, you can see this is higher than that, so I need that measurement, so there will be a small offset. That offset isn't necessary for this camera, but yeah, I will do it with the offset so I can use them for both cameras. Well, let's measure that offset. Now the offset is around, let's say 8 millimeters. Yeah. I had a different idea with this, but I can always change it back, because I think that the distance between this line and this line was 22. Okay, so my first sketch I can edit it and make it 22. So, okay. Next step is making a G-code. Ah shit, this is the other printer. 2 point, what was it? 12? 2.4 I think. Yes, there it is. I can make preheated to PLA and a bed also to PLA, and then let the printer just warm up. In Cura, open a file, the LED bar camera mount. Yes. So I have to rotate it the way it will probably be best. If the piece is small, I will print at a lower temperature. Around 190 degrees is sufficient. Half an hour. I can wait for half an hour. I can do some extrusion. Yes. And wait until new material comes out. Yeah, one more time. Okay. Nice. Upload the G-code. Yes. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's grab a beer and wait for 30 minutes. This is the result. Let's see if it all fits. Silence. Hopefully it will not break. Yep, there it is. Okay. Well, let's see if it fits the hot shoe. Nice. There you can see the bar, and well, it fits the hot shoe. And now I have some decent lighting on the camera. As you can see, it's a bit tilted. Yeah, of course I will place the STL files on the Thingiverse so you can download them and use them yourself. And yeah, that's it. So feel free to subscribe, and there will be more more videos soon.